Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel with another interesting video. I am back. So guys, in today's video we will learn a best very important trick of a Android mobile. So guys, before starting this video, make sure to like this video and share with your friends and family members. If you are new to our channel, just subscribe and press the notification bell icon for latest updates. So guys, this trick is very useful for basic users and advanced as well, and this is the very most important trick. So guys, if you are using a browser, Chrome or Brave private browser or any other browser, guys, every day we visit many sites including youtube.com, facebook.com, Instagram. If you are a investor or trader, you will be using the websites like tradingview, investing.com. So guys, it takes a lot of time to search one by one websites and visit, right? You have to search first investing.com, then visit investing.com, then sign in, sign up. Then again, if you want to visit another website, you have to close that. Again, you have to search for so and so website, again open the website, again visit the website. So it takes a lot of time. Yes, so to save your time, today I will teach you how to add any website to your home screen shortcut. Yes, guys, today we will learn how to add any website to our home screen. Yes, so first I will show you some demos and then I will show you how to add. Okay, guys, because it will save your time and your uh, way of searching. Like always you have to search the site, so it will save that also and time as well. Okay, so no need to search again and again and visit the website again. Just if you want, close the tab or otherwise press home button. You will have your home screen, then you can open next website. Okay, so it will be a easy method for you. So guys, let's check first. Okay, we'll see a demo.
Home.
See guys,
Microsoft Launcher.
as a trader and investor, I have websites which I have added, okay, in my home screen. First I'll show the demo.
Map. Chrome. Best Chrome. Launch Chrome. Angel. NSE. Investing.com.
Investing.com,
NSE. National Stock Exchange of India Limited.
National
Share /
Stock
market news and
Exchange
updates.
of India.
Sportsindia.com.
Okay, so I have added National Stock Exchange as well.
Invest Bloomberg Asia.
Bloomberg Asia for tracking global markets. Okay, so I have so many sites. For example, I want to open an investing.com. Okay, so just I'll click on this.
Investing. Chrome data. 0%. Progress bar. 0%.
That's it, guys. And now I will do my work. For example, I want another site.
Investing.com.
Just I'll press home.
Microsoft NSE. 0%. Progress bar. Chrome data. 0%.
And I will visit NSA India. Okay, so like this, guys, you can add many sites to your home screen. Okay, so let's search something and add. Okay,
Customize. Customize it. C1. Customize and control. Listings. Link. Open the home. Connection site. New tab.
I'll press new tab
Signed in. See custom Google search or type URL.
and let's search for something.
Show Y.
YouTube.
15 cent. I.
Okay,
K. I. India. O. YouTube. Flip U. YouTube. YouTube. 0%. Keyboard hidden. Web view. 0%.
okay, guys. So this is our site YouTube. Okay, youtube.com. So today we'll add this site to our home screen. Okay, guys. For this, we'll swipe from left. Okay,
Custom C1. New tab. YouTube. Connection. Open the home.
this is our open the home page.
Connection is secure. View site information.
Okay, from left to I'm swiping right. Okay, this is our next option. Connection is secure,
YouTube.com/account. New tab. Button.
and we have account, means youtube.com/account URL, site URL. Then we have new tab.
See 127 tabs. Button.
See 127 tabs because so many tabs are working in the background which I have opened earlier. Okay, so that's the reason. These are my tabs.
Customize and control Google Chrome. Button.
Customize and control Google Chrome, guys. Very important option in entire Google Chrome app or any browser. Actually, this is not a Chrome, this is a Chrome dev or beta something. Okay, but it's a browser. Okay, same like Chrome. You can say second version or something. Okay, so let us click on this customize Google Chrome. Okay,
Pop-up window.
and guys, new window has opened. Just what I'll do, I'll swipe from left to right. Okay,
Bookmark button.
bookmark,
Download button.
download. Just I will swipe and I'll get the option add to home screen. Okay, just I'll swipe.
Page in refresh. New tab. New history. Delete. Download. Bookmark. Recent. Share. Share. Find and translate. Add to turn off request desktop. Add to home screen.
Add to home screen. Okay, before turn off request desktop site, you will get the option add to home screen. Okay, so this is the option. We'll click on this.
Choose how to add the app to the home screen. Chrome data.
Guys, this is not an app actually, but talkback is pronouncing like this, so don't be a confusion. Sometimes we'll get confused like this app or site. This is a website. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll select how we want to add.
Add to choose how to add the app. Add to home screen.
Add to home screen.
Install.
Install.
Create shortcut. Shortcuts open in Chrome.
Create shortcuts. Shortcuts open in Chrome. Okay, so we'll click on create shortcuts, open in Chrome. Okay, but guys, for some sites, okay, for some websites, you will not get this option. You will get only
Install.
this option, install, or you will get install app. Just click on that. Okay, don't worry guys, you will not get any app version. You will get website only, but you will get like a app. Okay, because here we have only option for install in some sites, not all sites, in some websites. So you have to click on that, then automatically your site will be added to your home screen. So what we'll do is we'll click on
Create shortcut. Shortcuts open in Chrome.
create shortcut.
Choose how to add the app to the home screen. Create shortcut. Create shortcut. YouTube button. YouTube edit box. Enter shortcut name.
Guys, you can set your own name as well. For example, I am entering YouTube
Space. YouTube.
videos.
V X D O S R S space videos. Delete. Space delete. Done.
Done.
Keyboard hidden. Add touch and hold. YouTube videos. One white by one high. Cancel. But add automatically. Button.
So I'll click on add automatically. Okay.
Chrome data.
Okay guys, so
Connection is secure. Views. YouTube. See what custom one. YouTube. Guide. Button.
successfully our site has been added. So let's check once whether it is working or not. Okay, because I have so many sites on my Chrome homepage.
Home. Maps. Setting Chrome. Message phone. Launch Chrome. Go. Angel. NSE. Invest. Bloomberg. Sun. Wet. Upstop. BSE. Place. May. Insta. Sound. Chrome. Icon. Switty. Instareader. Team. YouTube. Washington Biz. Telegram. Chrome. Maps. Setting Chrome. Messages. Phone. Expand. Launch. Chrome. YouTube videos.
Okay guys, YouTube videos successfully added.
0% progress bar. Chrome data. 0%. YouTube. Web view. W edit box. Search.
Okay guys, so this is our site which we added just now, but already I have a YouTube app on my homepage. So let's remove this. How to do? So once open again your home screen, first just click on home.
Microsoft map. Setting Chrome. Mess public. Launch Chrome. YouTube videos.
Just double tap and hold.
Keyboard hidden. Remove. Button. 1 of 6.
Click on remove.
Microsoft Launcher.
Removed successfully. Okay, so this is the process for removing your sites. Okay, so I hope guys you like this video. This is actually for basic users, but it's an interesting feature of Chrome. Okay, so for more features and updates, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Comment below if you have any suggestions or requirements, or if you need any tutorial, just comment below. Okay guys, till then, take care. Bye bye, tata. We'll meet in the next video with amazing tutorial.